How to get free Spotify Premium on iOS or Android. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to get free Spotify Premium on your iPhone or your Android phone. What we need to do first is to head into Google and type in Spotify Premium free trial. Then we need to choose this search result. Right now, Spotify Premium is having a really good campaign where you can get 3 months of Spotify Premium completely for free if you just have a PayPal account. Keep watching, I will show you how to claim this offer without paying anything. I will click on Start Free Trial. Now, you will need to either sign into Spotify or create a Spotify account if you don't have one already. And to create a new account, just simply press where it says Sign up for Spotify. After that, you will need to fill out all this information right here and make sure that the information is correct. After that, you will be taken to this page right here. You will once again need to fill out some information about yourself and then make sure that you choose PayPal as your payment option to get that 3 months Spotify free trial. That is very important. I currently don't have any PayPal account myself, and that is why I am not eligible for the 3 months free Spotify premium, but I can still get 1 month free premium with either a debit card or a credit card. So don't worry, if you don't have a PayPal account, you can still get the 1 month free Spotify premium. And for those of you out there that are worried that you will need to pay, don't worry, because if you cancel your Spotify Premium before your free trial has ended, then you will not have to pay anything. I have linked a video in the description that will show you exactly how to cancel your Spotify Premium, so make sure that you watch that video as well when you're done watching this. And just like that, I have now free Spotify Premium on my phone, and I can listen to Spotify on my phone without any ads. And as you can see, I can choose which songs I want to play so that I don't have to shuffle, which is really great. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have a good day.